What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how you can close correctly files in here, folders or apps on your MacBook device. I'm going to show you how to do it correctly the hard way as well, because sometimes we close a specific app but it doesn't actually close. It gets minimized or it still occupies some background process space, and that keeps your MacBook slow at the end of the day or processing slow. And if you find my content useful in here, consider subscribing as it really helps me out. Now there we go. The simple way of closing apps is, for example, let me quickly open up, for example, Google Maps in here, and then let me open up Photoscape, which is right here. I do have two apps which are open, right? Let me tap on dismiss. Now the basic way is by simply tapping here on X, right? And then simply tapping here on X. But sometimes it doesn't really close. So if it doesn't close, or after tapping on X, you want to double check if it really closed, you want to go and hover that specific app here down in the dock. It should be somewhere here or here. You want to right click on it, and as you can see, I still have the quit option in here within Maps because it hasn't been closed. So you need to tap on quit to actually close. And now if I simply tap on right click, it's going to ask me to open because that app was still open. Now let me tap on open once again. Let's launch Google Maps. Here we go. Let me tap on close. It didn't close because it still shows quit, right? And next up, the second way of closing, let's quickly tap at the top left corner and then tap on force quit. Now I don't actually recommend you guys doing force quit regularly. I do recommend you doing whenever you really wish to cancel a specific app, because this may corrupt a few apps in a few scenarios. For example, let's say that you have a process running such as a video being exported from a specific video editor app, and you simply tap on quit while it's rendering. That can cause a few issues on the software. So it's important for you to double check if it did close all the processes. Okay, now as you can see here, I do have all these apps open and Maps is still here. Even though I closed it, it's still showing up in here. So in that case, simply select it. For example, I'm going to select this one as well as Mail. I didn't even know that Mail was opened as well, and then Notes as well in here. And then I'm going to tap on force quit, and this will essentially quickly close all those apps, because this is the back-end way on how you can close with force apps on your Mac. Now this is how quickly you can do it. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing and like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.